Now, let's set the double shot volume. After plugging in the machine, press the power button. Wait until the machine finishes preheating and enters standby mode. Prepare a scale and a cup. Place the cup directly under the group head. Short press the double cup button to brew using the default factory set. If you want to customize the single shot volume, press and hold the double cup button for about 3 seconds. The light on the button will start flashing. Release the button. Coffee will begin to flow. When the desired amount has been reached, press the double cup button again to stop the flow. The machine has now saved this custom volume. To reset the double shot volume to factory default, press the power and double cup buttons at the same time. Enjoy your espresso and savor every sip.